I think on the pain lecture, it really hit home, especially for me personally as an athlete, and I'm gonna take that back to the gym. So I recently was told that I had a disc herniation, and it has been the biggest whirlwind of the past 6 weeks because, I have one person saying, you're gonna be fine with physical therapy, and then I was referred to a neurosurgeon who told me, hey, we should do a laminectomy, and by the way, since you have a spondy, we might have to fuse your spine. So for a competitive athlete, saying we're going to fuse your spine is basically like, hey, you're never doing CrossFit again. So I think that left me in tears actually earlier this week. And then I had multiple people who are now active life certified coaches say, you need to talk to Dr. Sean, you need to talk to Dr. Sean. And once I truly, after having a phone call with Dr. Sean, I felt immediately better. So when we came and had that pain workshop, not workshop, but pain lecture, pain is an emotion related to uncertainty. So I really think this week, just after getting set up with Active Life and going through these lectures, I had my movement, my pain has gotten significantly better. So I think now, after I've accepted that I'm not injured and that this is just an irritation right now, that I can move safely, obviously under the eye of a coach, and that I know my limits here, that mentally we're going to be able to step forward and get back to where I want to be.